Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I'm Paru. Let us practice yoga for neck stiffness. Thank you so much Radhika for requesting this video. Please check out her channel. The link is given below. Neck stiffness may be caused due to several reasons like improper sleeping posture, sitting in front of computers for a long time, using mobile phones while hanging your head, etc. To get rid of this stiffness, let us practice together. Be seated in a comfortable position. Send your both hands back. Each tries to grab the elbow of the next hand. Adjust if needed. Your back is straight. We are about to reach our neck in a controlled way. Slowly lower your head, hold, and exhale back to the normal end to raise it up slowly. Hold and make sure not to drop your head way back. Now back to normal. Once again, down, hold, and back, up and back. You may do this for a couple of more times. Be gentle to yourself. Find some stretches on your neck. Now in the seated comfortable position, hands on knees, back straight. Slowly send your chin to the right shoulders as much as you can. Hold, feel the stretches in your neck. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale to the left. Hold. And inhale back to the center. Once more. Exhale to the right. Hold. Inhale, center. Exhale to left and inhale to the center. Couple of more times. Feel the stretches in your neck muscles. Be gentle. Let's view this from a side. Make sure your chin is sent slightly back so it aligns straight with your spine. Exhale to the right. Hold. Inhale, center. Exhale to left. And inhale to the center. Raise your right hand on the side parallel to the ground, fingers raised up. The head drops to the left and left hand holds the right side of the head. You may close your eyes. Right hand is stretched. Neck muscles are stretched. Hold for few seconds. Breathing is normal. And exhale to release. Next side. Raise your left hand on the side. Your head drops to the right and right hand holds the left side of the head. Feel the stretches in your hands and neck muscles. Hold for few seconds. Inhale and exhale to release. Once again. The head drops to the left and left hand holds the right side of the head. And exhale to release. Next side. Raise your left hand on the side. Your head drops to the right and right hand holds the left side of the head. Feel the stretches in your hands and neck muscles. Hold for a few seconds and exhale to release. In the same comfortable position, take deep breaths. Inhale, drop your head slightly to the right and exhale, look to your right thigh. Send your both hands back and one hand catch the wrist of next hand. Hold here for a few seconds. Exhale to slowly release. In the comfortable seated position, your back is straight. Use your index finger to send your chin back to be straight with the spine. Lower down your finger. Now inhale, face to the right and exhale. Chin drops slightly to see the right thigh. Feel the stretches in your neck. Hold for a while. Send your both hands back and one hand catch the wrist of next hand. Hold here for a few seconds and exhale to release and come back to original position. For next side, lift your index finger to push the chin back. Lower down your finger. Now inhale, face to the left and exhale. Chin is dropped slightly to see the left thigh. Feel the stretches in your neck. Hold for a while. Your elbows catch each other at the back. Hold and exhale to release. Let us press and release the head gently. Inhale, use your right hand. Press the right side of your head. The hand and head are pushing each other. Breathing is normal. Push and release. Push and release. Next hand. Left hand massages the left side of our head. Find some resistance from your head for more effectiveness. Push and release. Push and release. Now use your palm to press your forehead. Be gentle and your head resists here as well. Do this for a couple of seconds. Push and release. Push and release. Interlace your hands at the front and send them back to grab your head at the back. Press the back of your head gently. The hands and head are pushing each other. Push and release. Push and release. Push and release. Do this for a couple of seconds and exhale to release your hands. Now let us rotate our head, neck, anti-clockwise. Inhale up and exhale, lower down. And clockwise. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. For cow-faced pose, inhale, right hand rises up and back, left hand sent back and both fingers grab each other. Hold for a few seconds. Feel the stretches in your neck. Hold for a while. And release. Another view.
See how all the fingers are held. Now, if you are unable to catch the fingers at the back, then you may use a strap to help yourself. Be here for a few seconds. And release. Now let's be in Vajrasana for extended frog pose. You are sitting on your heels, knees are wide, back is straight. Inhale, raise your hands up above, gently. Grab the shoulders by next hand. If you cannot, then you may catch the arms. Be gentle, push yourself back as much as possible. Chest opens wide. Feel the stretches in your neck and shoulders. Hold for a few seconds and exhale to slowly lower down your body so the forehead touches the mat. Here, you may use blocks in front to place your forehead. Be here for a few seconds. This is very good for neck pain relief. Breathing is normal. And inhale, rise up. And release your hands one by one. You may do this for a couple of more times. From Vajrasana, be on a puppy pose. You may stay here for a few seconds. Inhale to send your right arm up high and exhale to bring it down and thread the needle to the left. You may stay here for a few seconds. Feel the stretches in the shoulders and upper body. Breathing is normal. Inhale and exhale to release. Now next, inhale, raise your left hand high. Exhale to bring it down to place it under the chest towards the right. Hold for a few seconds. Inhale and exhale to release. Rest and relax for a few seconds. Deep breath in and exhale full. Let us end today's practice by relaxing in an active way in Savasana. Lay on your back, eyes are closed. Spread your hands on your side. Your eyes are closed and body tries to relax. We are trying to rest in an active way by being conscious about each other of our body. Observe the normal breath, how they come and go, the gentle stretches in your muscles, or tiny droplets of sweat rolling over, or relaxing mind. You may realize your heartbeat. You may be here for 5 to 10 minutes. It is one of the best way to relax your body and mind.
Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. How is your neck feeling now? Comment below, and please share this with your friends and loved ones. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.